Hey everybody, Brian here, traders, Dear Abby for traders, I guess we call this. Somebody asked me a quick question regarding, some investors. I'm developing some strategies of high frequency trading. I need help in development. By the elite member will help me, meaning will my elite membership help him? He's a programmer in Python. Now, I responded with this. I have been asked to help people implement stuff. If you're willing to learn, implement yourself, the Quant Leap can be helpful, especially when I do my live lessons every week. The strategies provided, or I am in process of providing, are not really HFT ready, nor have the potential as they focus on fundamental. I will at some time move towards a higher speed later, once these three strategies are implemented live. Hope this helps. So he followed up with, he was asking about this last comment here. Can you tell me about the strategies to test, you implement, and then the last question regarding consultoria quant developer. Don't know what that is, so I don't sell what I don't know. So regarding this question, regarding these so-called HFT strategies, in here, I've been looking at the last day or so, this book I've been using for the last couple of years. This might be helpful for you right now. High Frequency Trading Practical Guide to Hardcover. Seems a lot of people don't like it a whole lot, but I find it's very useful. So here's the contents. Talks about HFT, the innovations, obviously the types of orders, how it can work in all these different asset classes. Talks about the different types of data, the trading costs, performance-based questions, the business, I guess, around HFT, statistical arbitrage, some other strategies based around events, market making again, because this is where the HFT is really primarily used for as a market making. Additional strategies on top of regulation, risk management, minimizing impact of market, and implementing your system. So this book may be helpful from a very high level, and that might be useful. I plan to use this once I've finished up those three strategies I've talked about. So that's what I'm referring to here, and hopefully that'll help you out. Nice thing I like about this book is it covers all the major high frequency trading strategies and what scenarios you may want to use it. And you may, like I said, take a look at this book. Hopefully it'll help you out. All right, so let me answer this person's question really specific. When I say my three strategies I plan to implement live. Basically, he's asking which strategies am I referring to. So this is what I'm going to show you. If you come under my blog and you click on, let me just go to the blog here. What will happen is this little piece right here, Algo Trading Biz, this is my course I'm referring to because it's essentially launching your own algo trading business. And in here we have all the basic elements that you need to get started using Python. Now I've launched this in February. There's a bunch of videos explaining what these are. The first stage is basically trading infrastructure building blocks. So those will give you all the different scripts that could help you get you up and running with a basic mechanical trading system. Covers everything from database to visualization to you name it, it's in there. Second section, which is really what I call phase one, arbitrage mechanics for equity, like ETF, stocks, indices, mutual funds. We're currently doing that right now. So this is really important because this will be removed coming, today is June 20th, removed the week of July 12th. And if you need to know the exact date, come into my blog here and you will see a countdown right here. Arbitrage pair trading demo removal, 22 days, and so on and so forth. So this is what I'm referring to here. This is really important. I'll show you that right now. So this is a dashboard for the entire course. We have our weekly meetups every Tuesday, Monday, and we've got 2 different meetups that basically point to the same thing. And you can get the dates on when they will get kicked off and for what day. So here, this is the building blocks infrastructure I referred to, this one right here. And this includes all kinds of stuff, as I said, MongoDB, setting up your Python interface or environment, Redis, interactive brokers, demos, market data capturing, QT designer, which didn't really work out, but we're working on something else which is a little more solid. And then we get into this strategy here that I'm referring to called the Python, next one, the algo trading arbitrage mechanics. And this is pretty well paired trading arbitrage. So we cover all these steps, and we're right now in position management, which happens next Tuesday, tomorrow. And these topics here for technical analysis, statistics, position management, and some other important elements for this kind of strategy is all provided. We've got walkthroughs. I'll show you this one here. Let's say the statistical. In here you'll get a course overview of videos as such. Also more walkthroughs. We've got our statistic video playback from our live lessons in case people miss it. There's other source code and so on and so forth. Okay, so that's just one example of these units. It's pretty involved, and we have all these different steps. And then we're moving in mid-July, the second phase, which is really our options and futures trading in commodities. Okay, so we're going to have all these different elements that we talk about, which will take a couple of months actually, and those will basically be demonstrated over, as I said, a couple of months. And yeah, that's based upon a course from the UC Davis that I've shown many times in many videos. And that's going to start up in July. Now, it's kind of important to understand a few things here. Both these strategies that I have, the equity and the options/futures, are dependent upon your knowledge of this building blocks, because we obviously use a database. There's some demos of charting, and you kind of need to know the first section on this building block infrastructure before you can move into either the equity pair trading or the futures/options. Okay, so that's basically how it works. Now there's a third strategy still to be determined, which would probably be the most effective, called global macro view, and that's for forex trading. Way it's looking, I'll be probably using 22 trading pairs, forex currency pairs for that. But what I want people to take away here is this phase is going to be moved and disappear, as I've hinted in this countdown. So this pair trading demo removal is going to be moved, and it's going to vanish. I'm taking it down. It's due to the fact that we have a small number of people that are taking these courses, and this is their reward for those that joined up early will get access to this. It's like a bonus. So they will be have access to this, the source code, the videos, all that. And after July 12th, which I've been warning people now for about 2 weeks, so there's about a 30-day warning when this actually happens, this is going to be removed forever. Okay, this section here, and we'll continue with this section. Now the other big change is I'm wanting to get out of this notion of educating with technology, just getting sort of saturated. So I'll be focusing more on just talking about the concepts of trading. So that's probably what I'll be doing for the third section, which is still yet to be defined, but I'm not too worried about it because it's going to take me probably well into next year, 2017. There's just so much in these strategies. Now, I've already hinted at this book here for high frequency trading, because this book is another world to venture into. It's more of a higher level, yeah, so that's the way it looks. So hopefully I've addressed your questions on that, and let me know if I have or have not. Talk to you later.